Jasmy absolutely exploded 16% in 24 hours, and we are witnessing the beginning of what could be the most massive breakout in crypto history. The Japan Bitcoin is showing signs of life that I haven't seen in months, and we've got a target of 2.139 cents locked and loaded. Listen to me very carefully. Make sure you watch this video entirely until the end, because what I'm about to show you could change everything for Jasmy holders. We're talking about 5 game-changing catalysts that are aligning right now. What's happening, crypto warriors? Goldrush here with Gold Rush Crypto Daily, and today we are diving deep into the most explosive Jasmy analysis you've ever seen. I'm talking technical breakouts, fundamental catalysts, and market dynamics that are creating the perfect storm for absolutely massive gains. Crypto family, we are about to witness something special with the Japan Bitcoin, and I guarantee you don't want to miss a single second of this. All right, let's jump straight into this absolutely mind-blowing article from AMB Crypto that has got my trader senses going absolutely crazy. According to this piece, Jasmy just posted what they're calling a strong rally across multiple time frames. And when I see language like that, I know we're looking at something big. The numbers here are absolutely gorgeous. We're looking at a 16% surge in just 24 hours. That's massive gains in crypto time. This has lifted the 30-day gains to a whopping 41%. Mark my words, Jasmy is not just moving. It's exploding upward, and this is only the beginning of what could be the most insane bull run we've ever witnessed. As you can see in this article, Jasmy's recent breakout comes as the altcoin pushed through the upper resistance of a descending channel. This is textbook technical analysis that gets me absolutely fired up. When you break out of a descending channel with this kind of volume, you're looking at serious whale accumulation happening behind the scenes. The article points to a next potential target near 2.139 cents. And I'm telling you right now, if Jasmy can sustain this momentum and break through current resistance, that target becomes absolutely inevitable. But here's where it gets really interesting. And this is crucial information that every Jasmy holder needs to understand. There's a major resistance level at the 1.786 zone. The article mentions that price has been rejected at this zone, suggesting sell orders are concentrated there. This is classic whale behavior. The big money sets up these resistance levels to shake out weak hands before the real move begins. But here's what's got me absolutely bullish. The article states that breaking above 1.786 isn't enough. They're looking for a complete bullish confirmation if Jasmy breaks above 2.139, forming a new higher high. Let's talk indicators because this is where the magic happens. The moving average ribbon shows some mixed signals, but the MACD is painting a completely different picture. The MACD line sits above the signal line, which historically suggests strong momentum and the likelihood of continued price growth. When you see this kind of setup, it often signals that a massive move is brewing beneath the surface. But wait, there's more. The derivatives market is adding serious bullish fuel to this fire. Jasmy's open interest-weighted funding rate stayed positive and elevated at 0.0141%. A consistently positive funding rate means more long contracts are being opened than shorts. That's bullish sentiment through the roof. The on-chain activity is where this gets absolutely insane. In the past 24 hours, both the transaction count and the number of unique addresses interacting with Jasmy have increased significantly. These metrics surged to 349 and 238 respectively. That's massive on-chain engagement. Now, let's pivot to this incredible piece from Captain Altcoin that's laying out 5 reasons why Jasmy could be heading for something absolutely mind-blowing in the coming weeks. Top analyst Scion1K on X summed it up perfectly. Jasmy always lags behind and then performs in a big way. The time is coming where 0.02 will be a thing of the past. This analyst mentioned that major features are already live and key announcements are still under wraps. That combination of quiet development and growing speculation has created what they call a classic by the rumors setup. And we all know how those play out. Let me break down these 5 catalysts that have me absolutely fired up about Jasmy's potential. First catalyst, big upgrades and utility expansion. Jasmy's tech stack has evolved dramatically. We're talking personal data lockers, secure knowledge communicator, and IPFS for decentralized storage. With newer developments like Junction combining staking and DX functionality, Jasmy is expanding its real-world use case exponentially. Second catalyst, staking pressure reduction. This is massive. Jasmy introduced staking that lets users lock up tokens to earn rewards. With nearly 99% of the 50 billion token supply already in circulation, staking could create a serious supply squeeze. If enough holders stake their tokens, we're looking at reduced selling pressure while demand increases. Third catalyst. The partnerships are absolutely mind-blowing. Jasmy has already partnered with Panasonic, VIO, and Transxmos. There are growing rumors of new partnerships with Japanese local governments and sporting associations. These collaborations lead to real use of the Jasmy token in smart city projects and ID management. Fourth catalyst, the validator network expansion. The Jasmy team is planning to increase network validators from 7,000 to 20,000 nodes this year. A larger validator network enhances trust and makes the blockchain more attractive to developers and investors. Fifth catalyst, and this is absolutely crucial, Japan's unique crypto climate. Jasmy is one of the few tokens with strong support inside Japan. It's licensed, listed on numerous Japanese exchanges, and often called the Bitcoin of Japan. Japan has clearer and more supportive crypto policies, and Jasmy could directly benefit from this home advantage. Look at this setup. As anticipation builds and long-term holders position themselves, we're looking at the perfect conditions for a massive breakout. Whether it's tech development, staking pressure, or expanding partnerships, multiple factors are coming together right now. From a price action perspective, we're looking at Jasmy trading with serious momentum. The volume profile shows increased activity at key resistance levels, which typically indicates accumulation phases before major moves. Whale movements have been absolutely fascinating. Large holders seem to be positioning for something significant, and when you combine that with the technical breakout patterns, it paints a picture of massive potential upside. The market cap positioning relative to other IoT tokens shows Jasmy is still significantly undervalued compared to its fundamentals. This creates an asymmetric risk-reward scenario that's absolutely beautiful for position holders. If you're finding this analysis absolutely game-changing, smash that like button right now and subscribe to Gold Rush Crypto Daily for daily insights that could transform your crypto portfolio forever. Hit those notifications because in this market, timing is everything. Share this video with everyone who needs to hear about Jasmy's potential. When we share knowledge, we all win together. Check out my other videos where I'm breaking down similar explosive setups across the altcoin market. The bottom line is absolutely crystal clear. Jasmy is showing all the signs of a coin that's ready to make the most massive move we've ever seen. The technical breakout, fundamental catalysts, and market positioning are creating the perfect storm scenario. Whether you're a seasoned Jasmy holder or someone watching from the sidelines, this could be the moment we've all been waiting for. The Japan Bitcoin is positioning itself for what could be an absolutely explosive run. The smart money is already taking notice, and mark my words, Jasmy is going to be absolutely massive. Keep those diamond hands strong, stay bullish, and I'll see you in the next video where we're diving into more opportunities that could change your crypto future forever. This is Gold Rush with Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Stay hungry, stay focused, and keep building that crypto wealth. Jasmy to the moon.